How to make your Twitch stream better. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Understand, and today I'll guide you on how you can improve your quality of stream on Twitch. Now, there are 15 simple steps that I'll be guiding you through or narrating you through. First is to select your niche games. Twitch is packed with talented gaming pros, and to attract viewers, creators must find a niche. Whether combat-oriented games like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, or action strategy ones like League of Legends, the choice of the game can bring in and grow the perfect audience. The second is to research the topic of your gaming content. Being a pro-level gaming streamer isn't about conquering levels and overcoming the odds. To be successful on the platform, you must provide your viewers with entertainment value, which requires some mastery of your gaming topics. Keep researching and learning new skills to become viral on Twitch. The third is to stay positive and present. When you're just beginning your Twitch stream career, it can seem overwhelming to grow your viewers while putting in so much time and effort into perfecting your game to stream feeling like you're going nowhere. Remember, positivity breeds more positivity. When you're upbeat and have an optimistic outlook, your viewers will reciprocate and feel positive about your content as well. Your attitude determines how many keep returning to your stream, but overstressing about low numbers may lead you to hang up your headphones early. Plan your content in advance. Planning your stream content is a strategic step that can significantly enhance your Twitch stream experience. Map out what you'll be sharing during your broadcast and have a stream schedule. This will help you maintain consistency, which is crucial for building a dedicated viewer base. When your audience knows when to expect your streams, they are more likely to tune in regularly. Moreover, planning allows you to organize your content more effectively. The fifth is to stream creatively and be consistent. As I've said already, be talkative and be confident. Pick the best webcams and microphones so your quality of stream depends on your quality of gadgets, so make sure to pick the best webcams and best microphones. Utilize quality graphics and sounds. Enhance your internet connection. Own a good controller and a low budget green screen. A quality controller is one of the most essential tools any gamer can own, as it helps to improve their Twitch streams. A responsive and comfortable controller makes playing games as smooth as possible and allows you to perform better while providing a more enjoyable viewing experience. Therefore, you want to pick the best streaming software as well. Popular choices like OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS, and XSplit offer a range of features to suit different needs. And you want to focus on quality content as well. Include channel point rewards. Ensure you engage with your viewers and increase your Twitch viewers. When your viewing numbers remain low, it's time to change up your strategy. The fastest way to grow the popularity of your Twitch channel and stand out from the crowd is to purchase views. Buy Twitch views from Media Master and boost your presence and growth on Twitch. So, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.